Hi friends, today we're going to prepare a refreshing juice that boosts collagen and is packed with nutrients. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 1 to 2 fresh carrots, half a beetroot, 1 amla, Indian gooseberry, water, jaggery powder for sweetness. Let's get started. Step 1. Take 1 to 2 carrots and wash them thoroughly. Peel if desired. Step 2. Next, take half a beetroot, wash it well and peel it. Step 3. Now grab 1 amla, wash it under running water. Add the chopped carrots, beetroot and amla into the blender. Pour in enough water to help with blending. Add jaggery powder to taste. Blend everything thoroughly until you achieve a smooth consistency. Once blended, strain the mixture using a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth to separate the juice from the pulp. And there you have it, a vibrant, healthy juice ready to enjoy. This juice is not only delicious but also incredibly beneficial for your skin and overall health. Drink it daily for at least 30 days for noticeable results. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments below.